channel, the Baking Diva. I'm here today with, ta-da, my cameraman. Hi, cameraman.
Hi, everyone.
And I wanted to come on and make something that I think is yummy. And I wanted to give you a chance to see how I make it and maybe make it yourself. Today we're making, you ready? Bacon wrapped stuffing bites. What do you think about that? Bacon? Who doesn't like bacon? Stuffing? So good. And like I say, you can use these as a finger food, as a side dish, whatever your heart desires. And they're super easy to make. So without further ado, let's get started. Are you ready, cameraman?
I'm ready.
All right. The first thing you're going to need, simple as could be, is a box of stovetop stuffing mix. Now I bought the cornbread stuffing mix. And what you're going to do next is you're just going to follow the directions on the stuffing mix and make it. So on the stuffing mix, you just needed 1.5 cups of water and 4 tablespoons of butter. So I made the stuffing mix in this pot, and after I made it, I let it sit for about 5 minutes because you want it to, cool down a little bit. The next thing you're going to need is, ta-da, bacon! And I happen to just have here Oscar Mayer center cut bacon that I bought. Now, the first thing you need to do is take your bacon, after you've made your stuffing, you take your bacon slices and you cut them in half, which I've already done. So I have them here. I'm going to put them aside. And then you're going to need a cookie sheet. I like to line my cookie sheet with foil. And you don't have to, but I prefer to put a little rack on top of it. I think it crisps the bacon a little bit better. So the next thing you're going to do is you're going to, so simple, make sure your hands are nice and clean because you're going to use your hands. You're going to also need some toothpicks. And what you're going to do is, let me bring over the stuffing mix. You're going to take about, maybe a tablespoon or so of stuffing mix. You want to make like about a 1-inch ball. And you're going to make this ball with your hand. You can roll it and squeeze it, whichever is best for you. You're going to end up with this 1-inch ball of stuffing mix. Then you're going to take half of your piece of bacon and you're going to wrap it around the stuffing ball. And it should fit right around it. Whoopsie, let me go here. And then you're going to take a toothpick and you're going to secure the bacon around the stuffing ball with your toothpick. So let me get a toothpick over here. And you can just push it right through from one end to the other. And this is what you're going to have. And you're going to put it on your baking sheet. And you're going to continue making these balls wrapped with the bacon until you get all of your bacon and all of your stuffing used up. Now next what you're going to do is you're going to put these in a 375 degree oven for first 15 minutes. Then what you're going to do is after 15 minutes you're going to take your sheet out of the oven. You're going to turn over your little bacon bites, and then you're going to cook them. See how easy this is? For 15 minutes more. So after you flip them, you cook them for about 15 minutes more. Your stuffing is already cooked. Your bacon should get nice and crispy, and then it's time to eat them. So I'm going to continue for you making a few more of these little stuffing balls and wrapping them with the bacon. As you see, couldn't be easier. Put your toothpick through. Imagine these, if you serve these at a party, you put a platter of these out. Oh my goodness. Even think about it for Thanksgiving, the stuffing wrapped in the bacon. Lots of things you can do with these, right, cameraman?
Surely.
All right, so I'm going to finish making them. I'm going to put them in the oven for the 15 minutes. I'm going to turn them over, and I'll come back and see all of you after they're done. So don't go away. You won't want to miss this. Okay, everyone. So I just took these out of the oven for the first 15 minutes. I figured I would show you that. And I have my little tongs that I'm going to flip them over with. So we just flip them right over. And then we're going to cook them another 15 minutes because we want that bacon to be nice and crispy. They smell good. Ooh, yeah. Oh, yeah, baby. Oh, yeah, baby. All right, so let me continue to flip all these babies over, and then I'm coming back to let you know if after 15 minutes they were crispy like I liked them, or if I had to leave them in another few minutes, whatever. And then it's time for lunch. Be right back. Okay, hi everybody, I'm back. I just took these out of the oven for the second 15 minutes. I left them in about maybe 2 or 3 minutes longer. I just wanted to make sure the bacon was crispy because I don't like my bacon soggy. I like it crispy. These look pretty darn good. I don't know if the cameraman will be able to zoom in a little bit if I hold the tray up because I want to taste them for you and let you know what they taste like, but they're way too hot now. So this is what they look like when they're finished, and I took them out of the oven. Don't they look delicious?
Very.
And like I said, you don't have to put the foil on the bottom, but I like to. I know some people will just put them on a plain cookie sheet, but I think it makes it less messy and you have less grease, on the cookie sheet if you do it this way. And plus, I think if you put them on a rack, they crisp up a little better. So this is what those babies look like. As soon as they cool down a little bit and I'm able to taste them, I'll be right back. But while I'm here, I should tell you, if these are recipes that you think you might like, if you think you might enjoy my channel, go down below and hit the subscribe button. I love new subscribers. Oh, I was wondering what that was. I think Alexa all of a sudden went off and started playing music. That is very strange. But anyway, if you think you might like my channel, I'd appreciate it if you wanted to go down below and subscribe. Hit the like button, the thumbs up button, and make a comment. It helps my channel to grow, and I really do appreciate every one of you. So anyway, I'll be back in a second, as soon as these cool so I can taste them. Stay tuned. Well, look at these babies. Oh my goodness. They look and smell delicious. I think out of this recipe, if you use the full box of stuffing and you cut the bacon pieces in half, depending on the size you make the stuffing ball, I think I got about almost 24 of them, and they're nice size. So these look delicious. You don't see 25 here because the cameraman was visiting these babies before me, right, cameraman?
Well, I just try to prevent you from, eating them all.
What'd you think?
Fantastico.
Oh, let me try one. Okay. Ooh, look at that. Nice and crispy. Let me take that toothpick out, my napkin, and take a bite of this. Oh my goodness. These are delicious, aren't they? Cameraman?
Surely are.
Oh my goodness. Some of the stuffing that came out a little bit on the end is crispy. It's crunchy. The bacon's cooked. These are delicious. I will definitely be making these a lot. And I don't think there's anybody, at least in my family, that's not going to like them. So give them a try. Right now, I'm going to say toodles because it's lunchtime and we're going to enjoy this little feast of our bacon stuffing bites. So come back soon. Love you all. Toodles!